Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to make videos in Locket Widget. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Locket Widget app, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, where exactly can you find Locket Widget? You can find it on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Now, depending on the device that you use, launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type Locket Widget and follow through the step-by-step processes involved in downloading the app. Now, after downloading the app, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where you're going to be asked either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you're going to explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Locket's widget. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to make videos in Locket widget. So let's say you want to send videos to your friends in Locket widget. Here's what you're going to do. So from this circle in the middle here, you can click on that, just tap once, and you will send a picture. Now, I can't use this feature because I don't have a friend yet. I've already sent a friend request, but none has been accepted. But says once a friend accepts your friend request, you can add them to a widget. So go ahead and click on OK. So click on add friends for you to add friends from there. But I don't have a friend yet. So if you want to make a video, here where I tapped once, the circle, this white circle that is surrounded by a yellow border, you're gonna hold down that circle to send a video. So hold down. So I can't do this because I don't have a friend yet, but once you have friends, hold down this circle and you're gonna see a timer that will allow you to upload a video depending on the duration that you want for the video. So hold it down and you will be able to make a video. Now remember, for you to use this feature, you need to upgrade your Locket widgets to the latest version for you to use that. So hold it down and make a video. Hold down to send a video. That's just pretty much it, but tap once to send a picture. So you can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.